It's going to be more dangerous. It's going to be more scary.
Mother Nature's definitely raising the stakes this season.
In all likelihood, people are going to lose their lives.
Yeah, here it is. Oh yeah, definitely a tornado. Let's go. Tornado right in front of us, guys.
We gotta hurry.
Oh, right there. Out that window. Get out that window. It's on the ground already. Oh my God. Coming down right on top of us here. I've never seen a tornado like this before in my life.
This is bad. Really, really bad.
New season of Storm Chasers, Sunday, September 25th at 10, only on Discovery.